Hey guys, what's happening? Why are my sent emails going into drafts on Outlook? Your sent emails are going to drafts in Outlook because of sync conflict, especially with Gmail or IMAP. Sometimes it's unstable internet connection, right? Conflicting send as save settings like save copies or add in interface. The key is usually disabling duplicate saving or adjusting sync settings to stop Outlook from saving its own copy when the server already does. So in order to fix that problem, just go ahead and hit the settings gear at the top right. Under customize actions, you can see message handling, press it. And when signing out, just turn on empty my deleted items folder, right? In that way, whenever you log out, they will delete the messages, all right, or the sent emails, essentially, right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. But in order to do that, you need to make sure that you delete those drafts in order to delete them automatically when you sign out. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next time.